Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to lock, print and edit of a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Let's get started. Firstly, open your PDF file and go to the File menu, click the Properties and select the Security option and click the again security method drop down menu and select the password security and check mark the restrict editing and printing of the document. Now put your password and you can change version of PDF document and click the OK. Put the password again and hit the OK. Now save the document. Now check the secure option is added. Now close the document, open the document again. Now check the print option is disabled. Edit option also disabled. Select the text, right click on the mouse and check the copy option is hide. Click the edit text. They will ask password. Type your password. Now you can edit this document. If you want to remove this password, go to the file menu, properties and change the security method, just no security and OK. Just save the document again and close. Open the document again. Now check the document is editable. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.